How you can create a cartoon on Meta AI. So first thing first, let's open the Meta AI app, and I assume that you have already downloaded the Meta AI app. And once you open it, you will be able to see there is three lines at the top left corner of this section. So select the or tap on that button, and once you tap on it, you can see the menu bars open. So just select the chat option, which is in second. So once you select it, you can see there is a few options in here in the chat screen. So in second option, you can see there is restyle my photo as anime option. So simply select that option, and you need to select your camera, I mean photos, and yeah, you'll be able to create your photo in cartoon or anime type successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to create your cartoon type photo from Meta AI. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.